Hey everybody, I'm Amy from BodyFit by Amy, and this is your 12-minute standing bodyweight zone cardio workout. So all bodyweight, only 12 minutes, and all standing. You can go ahead and roll those shoulders and just start with a gentle march. We're not gonna do much of a warm-up because it is only 12 minutes. We have 6 moves, and within those moves, you can cross those arms here. Within those moves, I'll give you an option to keep it low impact. We'll start with that. Let's roll those hips. And then I'll give you an option to take it up to a little higher intensity. Sometimes a higher impact, sometimes a higher intensity. So you can keep it just cardio conditioning, little tap back, or you can take it more of a cardio hit. That's what those zones are. You can do zone 1 or 2, zone 3 or 4, or even take it all the way out. Don't worry too much about them. Just pick the intensity that's good for you today. So we're gonna start just with standing knees. Let's go ahead and bring up. We got 40 seconds on. Here we go. 6 moves, 40 seconds of work, 20 seconds of rest. You pick your intensity, and maybe that second time through with these moves, maybe you want something a little different, up to you. So you can keep it here, you can cross it if you want a little more core, or you can power it up if you want a little higher heart rate, all right? So if you want a little more hit, I'm gonna keep it low impact here, and maybe add a little more core, right? If getting the knees up isn't right for you, you can just keep them down, but bring those knees forward, right? 10 seconds. It may also be something too where you want to take the second half of the interval and add a little intensity. Totally up to you. Catch your breath, go ahead and march it out. So I'm gonna return to a little march in that 20 seconds to keep it cardio conditioning, but you can also take more of a break if you need to. Next move, your basic step touch. Step touch, moving laterally. We'll add a little hop if you want, but let's start here. 3, 2, 1, here we go, step touch. Pump those arms with it. And if you wanna make it a little more of a slide, you can do that too, right? So step touch. You can also make a little more of a squat, but I'll warn you, we got some squats coming. So big hop, big arms, or small little step touch. You do you. We're about at the halfway point. A little more. And now we got only 10 seconds. So again, if you want to challenge that heart rate, pick it up, pick it up. 3, 2, 1, and breathe. Here we go. All right, team. Next move, we are gonna do a little squat and reach. And if you wanna add a lunge, you can do it too. But otherwise, squat, reach. If you want, down, squat, and lunge, or you can even jump it. Up to you. 3, 2, 1. Get low, reach. You don't have to get as low as me, but if you want, tap it back, reach. Squat down, lunge it or tap it. I'm gonna tap it because this knee, you can tell, is bothering me a little bit. Just a little tendonitis, I'm being careful. But if you want, you can also jump, squat, and tap and lunge, or again, just keep it here. I like to add the upper to keep the heart rate up. Woo, right here. Or just do the squat. Maybe that's where I need to be today. 10 seconds. Don't overthink it. 3, 2, and breathe. All right, that's 3 moves down, 3 to go. Next one, we're gonna tap it out. Tap it out, you can keep it low impact, or if you want, you can add a little hop step. Up to you. There's that heart rate, right? In 3, 2, 1, tap and reach. So step out, reach across. Low impact is here, and maybe you wanna get that low impact as your heart rate is coming down, or a little hop step. You can also take this to a full jumping jack, if that is a better option for you. If you want more of that high heart rate, up to you. I'd like to remind everybody to keep those arms nice and tight, to think intentional movements, not just flailing around. That way we get our muscles working along with that heart rate. We got 3, 2, 1, and breathe. All right, let's get a little bit of movement in what we call our transverse plane. We're gonna do a little skater. Step, tap behind, step, tap behind. You can make it a little bit of a hop step or a jump, or you can just step, tap, step, tap. Catch your breath. In 3, 2, skater. Here we go. Step tap behind. Like to reach across, so again, we get that movement through our core. Always trying to find ways that we're getting strength and cardio together. If you want to keep that back foot off the ground, you're gonna get a little more power as you go side to side and stick the landing into that hip. Right? Yes, you can. 10 seconds. Can you pick up that pace? Up to you. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe. March it out. One more move, then we do it all again. 12 minutes, but we're getting it done. All right, last one, it's a shuffle. So you can either do a double step, or you can do a little power shuffle, side to side, or quick feet shuffle. You do you. We'll start with a double step. Here we go. Shuffle to the side for 2, 1, and 2. Right here. Hup, hup. Or shuffle. Right here. Yes. I know, it feels like we should be done. For some reason, even though they still go by quick, 12 minutes feels longer than 10 minutes. I mean, obviously it is, but there's something about those 6 moves. Right here, 10 seconds. Up to you. 5, 4, 3, 2, and breathe. March it out. All right, let's do them all again. If you need a quick sip of water, you can. If you want to keep marching, getting it done. Starting with our knees. Remember, you can keep it low impact. You can power it up. Get a little more of those higher zones if you want. Let's do it. Here we go. 6 moves, 40 seconds each. So it's not even 6 minutes longer that we have to go because you get some breathers, right? Whew. Breathe. 6 times 40 seconds is all we need. And again, if you want to power it up or cross for that core, or just keep it low impact. Maybe you need a low impact today. Totally fine. Yes, you can. We're doing a team. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and march. Here we go, here we go. All right, taking it to that little step touch. Remember, you can just go side to side, or you can make it a little hop step. You do you, right to left. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2. Here we go. Step touch, or hop step touch. And again, I tend to move my arms in a way that makes sense rhythmically to me, but you don't have to. Maybe you want to go up, down, or up and down. Whatever it is for you, cross them. Oh, maybe you want to think of it more of a dance move. I love this one. Do this a lot in my dance cardio. Here we go. 10 seconds. Side to side, side to side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. March it out. All right, our squat and our lunge. I'm gonna stick it this time, guys, to just the squat and the reach. But again, you do you. If you want to, lunge it back. Squat and lunge, or you can even squat, jump into that lunge. You do you. Here we go, 40 seconds. You don't have to get super low. Maybe you even want to add a little step out and in to your squat and lunge. Remember, looks like this, and here. Down and here. Whoo! Ha! If you want, you can just do a little jump with whatever it is that you're doing. Maybe it's just the squat. Maybe it's a half squat. Ha! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe, march it out. Whoo! Catch your breath, team. All right, so where are we? Oh, those tap outs, right? So tap outs here. How about this time we take them over our head? And if you want to take it up, full jack, it's up to you. In 3, 2, 1, step out. little tap or hop step. You can even go both arms. Again, strong arms, strong core, right here. Or if you want, jacks, nice and light on the feet. They don't have to be super fast. 15 seconds, make it good. We got 2 more moves and they're good ones. We got our skater, we got our shuffle, right? 10 right here. 5, 4, 3, 2, breathe. March it out. Here we go. Here we go. All right, skater. Step, tap behind. Step, tap behind. Remember, we want to get a little bit of that movement through the hips. And I also like to get it through the torso to get the core working as well. Let's make it good, team. 40 seconds. Can you do it? In 3, 2, up to you. Now, you can always build it, right? Think of it as a cardio build. Do I have a workout titled cardio build yet? I should check. I'm always trying to come up with new names. If you have names for me, put them in the comments. Right here, tap, tap, tap. 10 seconds to go, make it good. We got that shuffle coming, then we are done. 3, 2, 1, and breathe. Last one, team. Now remember, you can do double step. You can do a big shuffle. I'm probably gonna stick right there, or if you're feeling it, you can even add a little punch. Quick feet. This is it. Last 40 seconds, make it good. Here we go. Woo. Why did I go right for it? Here we go. Step, touch for 2, touch for 2. Add that punch if you want. Or quick feet, 3, 2, 1. We're just side to side. We are halfway there. Last 20 seconds. I want you to go for it on this. Up your intensity in whatever way you can for you. Maybe that's just quicker step touch. Maybe that's getting a little lower in that squat for your legs. Either way, 10 to go, make it good. Breathers coming. 3, 2, 1, and march. Catch your breath, team. Yes. Woo, how we doing, team? Step touch right here. Let that heart rate come down. We're not really gonna do much of a cool down because it's just a 12-minute workout. But I want you to roll those shoulders. Let that heart rate come down. Bookmark these workouts, save these workouts. I'm doing little short clips in Shorts and Instagram and TikTok as well. So you have these options. Maybe you're traveling and you have no equipment. Maybe you need a little short work break. That works, all right? So you wanna get just something standing, and maybe you're even in your work clothes, but you're just gonna keep it all low impact. Whatever it is, there are ways to use these movements just to get your energy up, just to break up the sedentary parts of your day. Maybe you sit at a desk, maybe first thing in the morning you don't have time for a full workout, but you need to wake up, right? These are workouts for that. I have tons of them, 12 days of 12-minute workouts, as well as 10-minute quick hits, and so much more. Thank you so much for being here today. Let's get one big deep breath in and out. You did it. That was your 12-minute standing cardio workout. Great job, everybody.